I have 33 days and a budget of $100 to thrift gifts for 5 of my friends and family. Because it's Thriftmas, my goal is to find my friends and family gifts I wouldn't be able to afford otherwise. And the first gift we're looking for is a unique vintage watch. Someone who loves space, stars, and the outdoors. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. I have never ever seen a watch like this. You? Wait a second, I did some digging and you won't believe it. This is a 1994 25th anniversary watch of the Apollo moon landing. Now, it may not be worth $26,000, the Omega Buzz Aldrin collection, but it normally goes for about $200 Canadian, and I just found it for $12. Means I have a budget of $88 remaining. I have 32 days and a budget of $88 left to thrift gifts for 5 friends and family for Thriftmas. Recently, we thrifted a 1994 25th anniversary watch of the Apollo moon landing. Today, I want to find a vintage portable speaker for my dad. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. Oh, isn't this one of those expensive sunrise alarm clocks? It's like $150. Let's leave it for someone else because look at this. Freaking Bose speaker. These are $170 new. I'll have to scrub this Apple sticker off, but that's easy. Priced at $4 and I'm buying it, which means I have $84 left. I have 28 days and a budget of $83 left to thrift gifts for my friends and family. Because it's Thriftmas, let's judge what I found for Thriftmas for other years. For my cousin Carly, I got her this $600 leather jacket for $9. Thanks to my coupon, I also got her this Lululemon sweater for $11. It would have been $118. Cousin Tatum, I really like this find. It was a $210 realization par dress. I got her this designer skirt that would have cost over 168 euros, $245 Canadian, $7. I also got her a $200 IMG jumpsuit for $12. My friend Alex, I spent $18 and I got her this $450 Norma Kamali dress for $9. A Burberry London skirt for $9. The gifts I got include this Thrasher jacket that should have been $85. This was $12. And it's all Saint, so it should have been $200. Button up the Kupol shirt, that should have been $260. My dad, I got him a North Face jacket at 20% off, so it was $40, but with my coupon, it came down to $32. I have 25 days and a budget of $80 left to thrift gifts for 5 of my friends and family because it's Thriftmas. Today, for my cousin Tatum, I want to find a pair of heeled loafers. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. Oh my, check these out. These have definitely been painted by hand. What is this DIY craft and why am I always finding them? You would love these, but they're the wrong size. I bet you won't guess what this is. Oh my. Is it bad? I kind of love it. Always so disappointed when I see these old jelly shoes and they're yellow. Another pair of painted shoes. These must be from the same green shoe person. Hold up. Okay, remember these vintage Balenciagas I thrifted for $27 with my coupon? Okay, confession. They're small for me. I did try wearing them multiple times. What if I gave them to Tatum? You'd be happy and if you think that she'll like them. I have 20 days and a budget of $80 left to thrift gifts for 5 friends and family. Because it's Thriftmas. Looking for a painting for my friend's apartment, and I've had good painting luck in the past. 2 $800 Ruth Alder painting. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. Oh my goodness, the longest-legged moose you've ever seen. I think this is from the late 1800s. Is this a painting or a cutout? Longest legged moose you've ever seen. This is priced at $30, but it's actually a print from this guy, Claude Monet. If you've ever seen these pictures, which I think most of us have, you're pretty familiar with his work. See critters, are you telling me that this is a rooster alarm clock? Maybe good for April Fool. As a Canadian, a collapsible shovel for your car honestly sounds kind of amazing. What are they up to? Oh! Hello there. Empty-handed, let's try again tomorrow. I have 18 days and a budget of $80 to thrift gifts for friends and family because it's Thriftmas. Today we're looking for a large printer painting for my friends. Let's go to the thrift store because we need to get moving on the shopping. Perfect little vintage chair for $12. It can't shop for me. Boy London is a great vintage brand, but I don't love the colors on this watch. Fantastic vintage brand, but it's the shape of the dress that matters and this isn't doing it for me. I feel like these could be really adorable on the right person. It's rare for me to find shoes this pink. Kind of into the orange Pixar light, but wait. Also found their yellow friend over here. The combination of the words and the font. Look, I'm always finding Diane von Frusenberg, but the patterns are just never hitting for me. There's only one of these. I wish there had been a set. These pretty hand-painted cups. I really like them. I actually like this cow shirt, but it just felt like plastic. Ooh, is this an Aries horoscope cup? I'm an Aries, so I'm interested. This is actually for coffee pods. My mom would love this. Uses those refillable coffee pods, so let's get it for her. This print is actually 3.5 feet high, but it just feels a little plain. Kind of want it for the frame though. Ultimately, all I found today was this $5 coffee pot holder from my mom. Hoping the thrift gods start sending me some blessings soon because we are running out of time. I have a lot of people to still buy for. I have 11 days and a budget of $80. Thrift gifts for 5 friends and family because it's Thriftmas. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. My cousin and his girlfriend love Halloween. I think she would love this dress. Why did they also not put the design on the back? On the back makes it a no for me. This fabric is gorgeous. I wonder if it's going to look great or if I could flip it. If I can get it on my body, we have some backup to try it on. Oh, nope, this is really bad. I really like the metal hardware on this bag. I thought my other cousin might like it if I turned it around. None of us are really big logo people, but it's not great. A pair of rag and bone flare jeans. These would have cost like $500. I don't think think I love the color with the shiny finish. Not 100% yes, so it's a no. I don't know how to feel about this. This is a vintage Hollister cardigan. Really has no shape left to it, so I'm gonna say no. This could be a real winner for one of my cousins. These are a gorgeous little pair of silver Zara flats. You see, I like them like this, but when I do them up all the way, I don't vibe with the extra strap. If I get these for myself, honestly, I would have, but they are a little bit too small, so I had to say no. Kind of freaking out because we don't have that many days left till Christmas, and I'm also working on a new documentary. I don't have a lot of time to shop right now. I don't have that many gifts left, but I believe in us. I believe the thrift gods. Do you do thriftmas? I have 10 days and a budget of $80 to thrift gifts for thriftmas. Today we're thrifting for my cousin Tatum. He loves brands like Aritzia, Abercrombie, and Aerie. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. Ah yes, this is perfect, but actually take a look at this. This is an Aritzia TNA bomber jacket, and these normally go for over $200. There's one major thing wrong, which is that it's priced at $34.99. Yes, inflation hit the thrift store. With my coupon, it'll be $27.99. More than I wanted to spend, but I know she'll love it. I have $52. I have 9 days and a budget of $52 left to thrift gifts for Thriftmas. Today we thrifted this Aritzia jacket for my cousin. I'm thrifting for my great aunt because her favorite Coach wallet was stolen out of her bag. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. Try and replace it. This is my dream vintage picnic set. Nope, I don't love the colors. Can't say that I've seen a frog guitar before. Is this Coach? Not exactly. This one is fake, unfortunately. Okay, we're gonna head to a consignment store, but look at these two. Won't believe it. I found this Coach wallet at the consignment store, but is it in our budget? Yep, it's $15, which means we have $37 left to get 3 gifts for friends and family. I have 4 days and a budget of $37 left to thrift gifts for Thriftmas. For my cousin, we got this jacket, and for my great aunt, this Coach wallet. We were thrifting for my cousin, who's an artist. He loves spooky things, calligraphy, and all things monsters and weird. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. Second, I kind of want this for me. My actual job is I'm a filmmaker. I was thinking of starting a thrifted camera series. What kind of cameras we could get in the new year on a budget of $100 to see what images they make. If you like the idea, but back to my cousin. Check this out. This is a calligraphy book from the 1980s with all different sample art styles and lettering. It's priced at $2.99. I think this is perfect, and that means I have $34 left. I have 3 days and a budget of $34 left to thrift for Thriftmas. So far, we've got this calligraphy book, this Aritzia jacket, and this Coach wallet. And today, we need to thrift a piece for someone who loves to work out and wear athleisure. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. Could these be real Nike off-white sneakers? I'm not sure if they are, but they're $80, which is out of budget. Maybe a Bernese Mountain Dog clock instead. I thought the bag was a lot. The Wolf Life one up. Sweater that says fruit. F-R-U-I-T. This logo looks familiar. This is a Lululemon pullover for $20. It might be too big. We only have 2 days left, so let's get it. Hope that she likes it. I have 1 day and a budget of $14 left to thrift for Thriftmas. So far, we've gotten 3 gifts. I'm not sure if this Lululemon hoodie is the best I can do. I don't want something more colorful. That's still athletic wear. So let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. Wait a second, does that say Comme des Garçons? It's a cardigan with this buckle. It's priced at $5.99, but take a look at this tag. It makes me think this is probably fake. Don't love the design, so let's keep going. I feel like I haven't seen a turtleneck like this in so long. This is a matching set. Really cute, but it's really not good for winter. Little butler lady, who is she? I actually really like this coat. It's called Angel's Touch, but it's $50, which is outside of our budget, so that's unfortunate. Very yellow J. Crew dress. Kind of rare to find in Canada. Remember when everyone was losing it over the wedgie jeans? This is a Zara matching cheetah print set. I actually really like this for me. I'm not here for me today, so it's a no. Oh my goodness, these are quite the unique sleeves on this sweater. I really like this sweater again for myself, but I can't take it. I have $14 left over from my Thriftmas budget. Let's use that $14 to try and find a sparkly dress for New Year's. Except New Year's is in 3 days. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. First contender is this silk vintage blue dress. I would add some bedazzling to this. It's super retro, but I could think of some ways to DIY this, except it does not fit my body. Imagine this as a top and a skirt. Imagining it for someone else. Next, what if a cheetah coat over top of a sparkly dress? I was very hopeful about this, but when I tried it on, it was giving more like ski coat, and I would want something a bit more oversized. This is such an unexpected fun find. This is a vintage hat box. Look how beautiful this is. Unfortunately, no hat inside. Kind of wish I could use this for storage, but my place isn't big enough. Now, I'm really tempted to get this, but look at the strap on this purse. It almost looks like it doesn't match it. Do I get it and replace it? Because I am a sucker for houndstooth. Last but not least, let's try on this polka dot raincoat. This is one of those pieces that's either going to be really, really good or really, really bad. And I actually like the design of it, but check a look at the sleeve. Curse of my arm strikes again. And I know these are really trendy right now. I just don't think it's my personal style. Or is this, so let's say no. I thought about cutting this up into a 2-piece set, but I just don't think it's going to work, which means that we have 3 more days to find it out. Wish me luck.